Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo with the Samsung Galaxy A51 charger port replacement guide. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, it needs to take out the back cover. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Carefully work around on the edges, and once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. And in between, insert a plastic car pry tool and gently cut the adhesive around. Next, take out the SIM tray and take out the back cover, and then undo 15 screws on the rear cover frame. Using a plastic car pry tool, create an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around on the edges to separate the plastic clips. Take out the frame and disconnect the battery connector. Next, move to the bottom section and first disconnect the main flex cable end. Then disconnect the fingerprint flex, LCD plug and antenna from the secondary PCB board, including the charger port. Now you can use the tweezer to pull up the board. If it is not coming quickly, apply a little heat to soften the glue under the board. For the charger port replacement, the easiest way to replace the entire secondary PCB board, which is widely available. Add the new secondary PCB board and place it on the body. Now we can start connecting the fingerprint, LCD, antenna and main flex cable end into the secondary PCB board. Make sure the connection is secure. Also, do not forget to plug the battery connector on top. Next, restore the rear cover frame followed by the SIM tray. Make sure the plastic clips have locked and insert 15 screws back. Before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or double-sided back cover adhesive. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.